What's up guys, on today's video we're checking out the AAXA P7 Plus mini portable projector. A massive thank you to AAXA for sending this out for me to put it through its paces, and not only did they send the projector, they also sent out one of their excellent solar chargers, meaning you can charge it up during the day and then when night comes you're good to go. This was perfect as my kids wanted to watch the latest Little Mermaid movie, and what better place to watch it than right beside the sea with the crashing waves as the backdrop. So without any further ado, let's get into it. On top, you'll find the menu and navigation touch buttons, and on the right are the fans. On the back are the inputs for the power, USB, HDMI, plus a 2-watt speaker. On the left are the power button, Type-C USB input, a headphone jack, a micro SD card slot, plus the manual focus ring. And on the front, you'll find the lens. Being so light and portable, the P7 Plus is great for plug and play when out and about, such as camping. So being able to charge this back up and keep the entertainment going, this is just an outstanding feature. Once you open the solar charger, you'll find 4 solar panels, and tucked away the charging cable and 2 USB inputs that are perfect for charging other devices such as phones and tablets. All you have to do is display it in direct sunlight, connect it to the P7 Plus and let the free charging commence. The P7 Plus has a built-in Wi-Fi, which is great for watching streaming services from the onboard Android 10 operating system. Another handy feature is the ability to do wireless mirroring, great for quickly sharing home family videos and photos. You can also view documents for if you ever needed to do presentations. When it comes to brightness, you get 3 modes: Eco mode, Standard mode and Boost mode that can only be used when it's plugged in. Boost mode will give you 550 lumens, and when you're using it by the battery that will drop down to 400 lumens. And if you put it in Eco mode, you will also get 150 minutes of playtime. You can also use the display settings to sort out any keystone corrections or ceiling mount options. If you have no internet access, you can always use a USB or micro SD card to play back local media. The built-in media player gives you access to videos, photos, music and files. For the size of the P7 Plus, you get a clear, detailed image. Colours were good, and of course when it comes to projectors, the darker the environment the better the picture. The P7 Plus also supports 4K resolution but outputs at a native Full HD. After testing this out at home, it was time to take it on the road and try and give my kids an epic movie experience by watching The Little Mermaid at the beach.
All I'm saying.
While the kids were playing, I hooked up the screen to some wooden posts and waited for the sun to go down. Being completely wireless made placing the projector really easy. The built-in speaker is good for quick and easy entertainment inside, but being outside I needed something a little more, so I took advantage of the P7 Plus being Bluetooth and connected it to an external speaker. Even with the sun still setting, I managed to get a very watchable picture that made for the kids having a great movie night. My daughter definitely gave it a thumbs up. So if you want to check out the P7 Plus for yourself, the link will be in the description. And thanks again for AAXA for making our beach movie night possible. Please go and check them out. They have an amazing range of battery portable projectors at awesome prices. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.